Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show how to generate GitHub access token which could be used for many purposes like authentication. You can use as a password if the password is not working for authentication. So let's start. So guys, first of all, you have to click on your profile and then you have to click on settings and scroll down and you have to click on developer settings. And as you can see, there is three tabs. You can create GitHub apps, auth apps, and personal access tokens. So guys, you have to click on it and then you have to click on generate new token. And you have to mention the name of the GitHub token like FineGap, and you have to set the expiration for this token. I am going to set no expiration, and you have to set privileges like scopes. I am going to select all, and then you have to click on generate token. So guys, as you can see, token is generated and you can use it. So guys, by this way you can generate token easily for GitHub. And guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.